everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. In today's video, I will be doing a cloud pour using my cloud pour cup. But before I get started, I wanted to tell you some exciting news. The Fluid Art Boutique is back and I'm super excited because I was invited to be a featured on-site local sponsor / artist. I'll be doing product demos, as well as, and I'm super excited about this part, joining 𝗠𝗠𝗏𝗍𝗏 from COS Creations in her Sunday afternoon class. There's going to be other artists there as well. Let's see, Sarah Mack, 𝗠𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗧, Karen Durshan, and then there's some special guest artists, Michelle Galley, Erica Hughes, and Molly from Molly's Artistry. So that's very exciting. That is going to be coming up in October, the 8th, 9th, and 10th, and you can go to fluidartboutique.com to check out more details. So again, I'm very excited and super happy to get to show off my products as well. So with that being said, I'm going to jump right in and get started. I have some really pretty colors that I'm going to be using today. Let's see, we'll start with this one here. This one is from Pebeo, and that is Iridescent Violet Blue. I've got, let's see, this one here. This one I haven't used before. It's DecoArt Americana Multi-Surface Metallic, and it is turquoise. And then the blue that I'm using is, of course, my favorite mineral blue from Soho Urban Artist. And let's see, this in my bottle here, I don't know where the jars are, but this one is, there's two golds that I mixed together, the DecoArt 24 karat and the champagne gold. So it's a little bit softer. It's very pretty. It's not like as in your face as the 24 karat. So, and then for my cloud mix, I'm trying, it's kind of an experiment today as well. I'm trying something, let me show you first. I did this in my last video. It was a spin swipe, and my base coat was this cloud mix that I am trying. It's a new one with just a couple ingredients, super easy. And you can see the cool detail. I got some, you know, like cloudy looking, some pearl cells kind of developing there. So I wanted to try it in my cloud pour cup, and I wrote down the recipe here. So what I used was the DecoArt white satin enamel, and then I also used the Dazzling Metallics white pearl. So how I did it, and this makes a lot, so you can always cut the recipe in half because it made, quite a large cup for me. So I took 2 ounces of the DecoArt satin enamel, 1 ounce of the Dazzling Metallics white pearl, 2 ounces of American Floetrol, and 1/2 ounce of Golden GAC 800, and then I put in about 2 capfuls of water, and here's the consistency, if you guys could see that. Now if you want it thinner to use as a base, if you think it's too thick for you, like if you're going to use it like I did in a spin swipe or in as a base for a Dutch pour, if you want those extra cells or whatever in there, you can just add a little bit more water. So again, this is kind of a test, and we're going to see how this works in my cloud cup, because I haven't done it yet, and I thought it was, I got some interesting results. So I did take some of this in the big cup and put it in a little cup, And the way that I like to do my cloud pour cup, and for those of you really quick that are new, this is the cloud pour cup that is designed by me. It's got 2 chambers in the front, and then you put the rest of your paint in here. I also make it with dividers as well, but today I'm using just the open cup. So the cool thing about this cup is you can decide how much cloud pour paint you want to put in this cup. You can fill them both up. You're going to get a ton of clouds if you do that. Or you can put in one side and put regular paint in the other. What I like to do is what I'm going to do today is I put half and half. So on the one side, I put some cloud pour paint in the bottom. And then I will take another color and put it on top. So let's see, I'm going to put my lid back on. When I do that, I like to use these. It's easier. I just don't have that white in one of these squeezy bottles. So, and then I'm putting this blue on top of that. All right, and now, and I'm going to take another color. I'm taking this metallic turquoise. I'm going to put this on the bottom of this side. Now I can't really see so well. I'm trying to see in here. All right, so hopefully that's good. Again, I can't really see it. My lighting it's kind of overcast today. If you hear some thunder, it's because there's a storm a-brewing out there. So let's see if I can get that. Okay, there we go. Now that may be, I kind of went a little bit too much there. My hand was kind of in the way. But that's how I like to do it. But again, that's the cool thing about this cup. You can do it however you like. All right, so now I'm going to start with, I think I'm just going to start with a little gold in the bottom. And all of the rest of my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, a little bit of GAC 800, and some water. That's my mix that I use. All right, and I like to pour it down this way because this is the way that I'm pouring out. So I'm just going to continue to layer this cup until I get to the notch in my cup, which is right here. It's at the bottom of the spout. And I don't like to really go too much more because then it's just kind of too much paint in the cup, I guess. I don't know if there's really an explanation. There's just a little bit too much paint in the cup for me. So I think it's just easier. And it's like a marker in the cup, so that's kind of cool. All right. And I didn't want that. I didn't want that much in there, but I think because this is a little bit of softer gold, that it shouldn't take over, but it is still a gold, so we'll see. And I wanted to go with kind of a bright, another bright pink, the Iridescent from Pebeo. Those, I like that line of paint too. All the Iridescent from Pebeo is really, really nice. I actually like to mix them in with other colors as well. And you get, I mix the blue with the Iridescent Blue Black, like my mineral blue, and it is just gorgeous. So, all right, so I am almost up to the top. I'm going to put a little bit more of this pink, or, well, it's violet blue. Okay, there we go. I can see that. All right. Alright everybody, here we go with the dried result, and I'm pretty happy with it. This cloud mix that I used seems to be a little bit softer, a little bit more transparent than my regular mix, but I like it. I do like the way that the colors blended. That gold mix is a little bit softer, and I got some cool cells. I love the little jelly bean cells up in the right corner. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to check out fluidartboutique.com for dates and class times and the artists that will be there. Alright guys, if you're interested in the cloud pour cup you saw me use in today's video, go check out acrylicpouringtools.com. It's available there along with all of my other acrylic pouring tools. And I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I will catch you in the next one.